Today we'll be learning about the small signal amplifiers. In the previous class you have studied about the concept of an amplifier. Today among the different types there are small signal amplifiers and large signal. Small signal amplifier means if the input AC signal is lesser than the Q point value, then we say that it is a small signal amplifier. The signal that we are inputting for amplifier is a very small signal. The value will be lesser than the Q point. That is the definition. What is the Q point? It's nothing but values of VC and IC. So, if our input AC signal value is less than your IC value, collector current value, then such amplifiers are called small signal amplifiers. So, to explain this, let me take an example. First, we will consider the case before the input AC signal is applied. See, our transistor is biased properly by applying plus VCC, and VCE and IC values are set. So there are only DC values now in the transistor. Before the input AC signal is applied, let's take an example where IB, the base current, input current is 10 microamperes. Okay. So what will be the output current IC? According to formula, you know that IC is equal to beta times of IB. Now for this example, let us assume beta is 100. Then what will happen to IC? Your collector current or the output current will be beta is 100 into our IB is 10 micro. So 100 into 10 will be 1000 micro. 1000 micro can be written as milli. Correct. 1000 micro. Micro means 10 to the power of minus 6. 1000 into 10 power minus 6 can be written as milli. Milli means 10 power minus 3. So collector current IC is 1 milliamperes. So if I write it in the plot, how will it look? See, this is the plot of a IB. This is 0 axis and this is IB, and you have a straight line at 10 microamperes. Why am I writing a straight line here? Because it is a DC. We have not applied the input AC signal. So this is how your IB is looking at 10 micro. And your IC will be like this. This is the 0 axis, and at 1 milliamperes it's a straight steady DC current. IC is 1 milli. So from the graph you know that we have set the proper values of IC. That is Q point is set. Okay, and VC also will be set. Now let's apply the input AC signal. Now after inputting the AC signal, let's for our example take that a small signal of 5 microamps is applied. Okay, so the input AC signal that we are applying is smaller than that of your IC value. ನಿಮ್ಮ IC value ಎಷ್ಟು ಬಂದಿದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 1 milliamperes ಇದೆ. That IC is nothing but your Q point. So the input AC signal that you are applying is smaller than that of the IC. Such amplifiers are called small signal. So 5 microampere AC you are applying means, what is the meaning of AC signal? It will, whatever is the DC value, it will increase and reach plus 5 and then also come to 0 and then go to minus 5. That is how it will be going, plus 5 minus 5 ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. That is the meaning of AC signal. So when we are applying this 5 micro, ಇಲ್ಲಿ IB ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ 10 micro ಇದೆ. So when you apply the input AC signal, from here it will increase. 10 plus 5 it will go to 15 micro. This is 15. Again it will come back to 0. And 10 minus 5 it will go to 5. So ಏನಾಗ್ತಾ ಬಂತು, ಈಗ input AC signal ಹಾಕಿದಾಗ the signal will go to, this is 15 micro to 5 micro. So your IB start 10 ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ದಿದ್ದೇನಾಯಿತು, 10 ಇಂದ plus 5 minus 5. 10 plus 5ಗೆ 15 ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ, ಮತ್ತೆ 10ಗೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. 10 minus 5 will go to 5. So it starts swinging between 15 micro and 5 micro because we have applied a signal of 5. So if IB is 10 micro, your IC is 1 milli. If this starts increasing, it's 15 micro hodre, what happens to IC you can calculate. Then IC same formula, beta into IB. When it goes to 15 micro, when IB goes to 15 micro, your IC will become 1.5 milliamperes. And when IB goes to 5 micro, then it becomes 0.5 milli. So even your IC also will start with the AC output on AC ಬರ್ತಾ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ. 1.5 to 0.5, 1.5 to 0.5. You know, this will be 1.5 milli 1.5 milli, and this will be 0.5 milli. So after the application of AC, both your IB and IC also will become AC and they will start fluctuating. But the input AC signal that you have applied, 5 microamperes, is very much less than the IC value. Milli irodu, it is higher than micro. I'm sure you can get it. Okay. So this is the example of a small signal amplifier.